If the belief money doesn't grow on trees is quietly slowing your progress, this story might explain why and how to reset it. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a real client breakthrough and the simple reset that helped her stop repeating a money pattern she didn't even know that she had inherited. Hi, my name is Nilofer Savdar and I work with clients around money patterns and subconscious beliefs, not surface level mindset, but the invisible rules that shape how hard people work, how much they earn, and how much ease they allow. In every video, I share one practical shift you can apply immediately. A client came to me feeling stuck financially. She was capable, she was skilled, she was disciplined, but no matter what she tried, money always felt heavy. When we slowed things down, a pattern emerged. She grew up watching her father work relentlessly. Long hours, missed holidays, missed family moments. Money in her world was earned, but always at. So naturally, as an adult, she did what made sense to her nervous system. She worked harder, she pushed through exhaustion, she felt uncomfortable resting, especially when money was involved. So even when easier opportunities showed up, she defaulted to effort over alignment. Now, why that wasn't working? The issue wasn't motivation or discipline, it was loyalty. On a subconscious level, ease felt unsafe. Earning without struggle felt like betrayal. Her mind wanted growth and her nervous system wanted familiarity. Conflictual universe. So here's what you do. Step number 1, identify the inherited rule. The first step was naming the rule that she absorbed about money. Not what she was told, but what she watched. So who worked harder? What did success cost them? What did money require emotionally? Step number 2, you separate respect from replication. So next we separated honoring her father from copying his path. So you can respect someone's sacrifices without repeating their exhaustion. So this distinction alone created the relief in her nervous system. Step number 3, install a new internal agreement. So then we installed a new rule, one that said money can come through alignment. Rest does not make me irresponsible. Ease is allowed. This wasn't affirmations, it was repetition, integration, and regulation. Now, this works because money behavior isn't logical, it's conditioned. When the nervous system no longer associates money with sacrifice or guilt, people stop resisting opportunity and start responding to it differently. Now, this is exactly the kind of work I do with my clients. Now, if you recognize this pattern and want to rewire it, not just understand it intellectually, I have a Money Beyond This Reality program where we go through this process step by step. Drop beyond in the comments and I will send you the details to this program. You don't need to suffer to be successful. Sometimes the work is simply choosing a new rule.